Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the access denied issue in Amazon Shopping app in 2026. If you see access denied while using the Amazon Shopping, it usually means your connection or IP address was blocked temporarily or your device is blocking some access for the app. Now this happens in 2026 due to VPN use, unusual activity, or browser security settings, or the permission settings. Now, the first thing you want to do to fix this issue is to turn off the VPN or proxy. Amazon may block certain IP addresses, so make sure to disable all VPN apps and reload the app or website just like this. As you can see here, you're just going to close the app and relaunch it again and see if it works. If it doesn't, you're going to try to clear the cache or the browser's cookies if you're using your browser. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to access something that demands some permission. As you can see here, you're going to click on Allow Access. The second thing to do is, like I said, to clear the browser's cookies. Now, if you're on desktop, you can clear the Amazon cookies. You can restart the browser, then log back in. And the third thing to do is to switch networks. You can try mobile data instead of Wi-Fi and choose the one this is faster and more reliable. You can choose the network this is faster and more reliable and pick that one, and you can work with it. You can also wait and retry. Sometimes Amazon temporarily restricts access for security reasons, so waiting a short time can resolve it. And also make sure to go to the Amazon app or settings, app settings, and go to permissions and make sure to grant all the permissions needed to the Amazon Shopping app. And that's it for today's tutorial. Access denied message in the Amazon Shopping app is usually a temporary security block or a permission issue. Once your connection is stable and you give the permissions, access is restored normally. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.